The LÜTZE AirSTREAM wiring system is compatible with all standard control cabinets. Appropriate installation kits are available for these cabinets. With the AirSTREAM wiring system, the space in a control cabinet can be used more efficiently, and at the same time a homogeneous enclosure climate can be created. The AirSTREAM frame builds up in layers, resulting in 2 levels. The wiring level is integrated into the frame and wired from the front, over the component level. Sliding nuts allow easy installation, for example of the bus bar system as shown in this example. For control cabinets that are in series, a continuous bus bar system can be easily created. A wide variety of DIN rail units can be simply snapped on, taking up a minimum of space. Due to the rounded profiles, larger components can also be attached. The modular AirSTREAM frame replaces the mounting panel as well as accessories such as cable ducts and DIN rails. Thus more control components can be installed in the cabinet with the same volume. By eliminating disruptive cable channels, a direct, smooth airflow is created in the control cabinet. Heat is dissipated quicker. The availability of aluminum profiles at differing heights allows the system to be adapted to the components. This allows the space to be utilized far more efficiently and offers a solution for almost all control components. All types of profiles have sliding nut channels, which makes it possible to screw or hang the components effortlessly. Heavier components can also be fixed via adapter rail, and the weight can be distributed over several modules. The wiring is all done from the front with pre-assembled wires, which saves time. The wires are fixed in the corresponding comb profile after connection to the component, guided to the right or, as in this case, to the left. The bracket tabs prevent the wires from slipping out. Without cable ducts to make accessibility to the components difficult, the wiring can be done quickly and efficiently. Due to the division into an assembly and a wiring level, air flows past the modules and wires almost unobstructed. As a result, waste heat is quickly dispersed to the exterior panels of the cabinet. The resulting homogeneous interior climate ensures a longer component life and thus reduces the risk of machine failures. Mounting of the units and even more importantly wiring are always done from the front. Wire holders prevent X-wiring and simplify rewiring. Through the use of different easy-to-exchange comb segments, even cables with a larger outer diameter can be easily fixed. For controllers with multiple single wires, special combs with a large capacity are used. The assembly of wire holders ensures a clean wiring installation and a tidy cabinet. New modules can be added at any time. They are always mounted and wired from the front. The wires are always easily accessible, making subsequent modifications very easy. If a wire needs to be traced in the cabinet, just take it out of the wiring profile and move it around a bit. Alternatively, the single wire can also be traced between the modules. An important accessory is the air blower fan to create a stable cabinet climate. The air blower is controlled by a control unit and switches on automatically as required. There are air blades for targeted cooling ventilation on components with particularly high heat loss. The blades are installed instead of the comb segments. The use of air blades avoids dangerous hotspots. The control unit also includes 3 PT100 sensors, which switch the air blower on or off when the interior of the cabinet is above the required temperature. The temperature sensors are placed underneath sensitive components where hotspots could arise. The wiring is completed by inserting the cover. The covers are available in different widths depending on the application. The benefits of the AirSTREAM wiring system are obvious. Effective use of space, more space created by the omission of the cable ducts, as well as no mechanical processing during modifications, access from the front, and faster wiring. Flexibility, modifications, and the ability to overbuild the profiles with slight nut channels are all possible thanks to modular design. Sustainable climate management, along with the extended lifetime of the components in the control cabinet, reduces the risk of downtime.